Why do I even need an emergency supply package? Just in case. Be prepared. It's a set of measures to prevent, wherever possible, any potential future developments or situations which might result in material needs. It's exactly why you might have insurance for health, pensions, or liability, a fire extinguisher, fire detector, or first aid kit, to provide for yourself. Many people think that they don't need health insurance when they're healthy, that they don't need a pension insurance scheme when they're young, and that they don't need a fire extinguisher or fire detector when there's no fire. If you've never had a fire in your own home and haven't experienced how vital a fire detector or extinguisher is in such a situation, then you will certainly come to view these tools quite differently to someone who was able to save their own life or that of others by using these tools. Having a good emergency stock is just like having a first aid kit, fire extinguisher, or insurance. It's an indispensable building block in a future-proof, family-oriented provision plan. Think about it. Providing equates to caring. Insurance policies, fire extinguishers, fire detectors, first aid kits. All these help us to survive an emergency situation. We only really appreciate their true value when we're in the unfortunate situation of having to use these tools. This is why an emergency supply package from Conserva.de fits perfectly into your personal provision plan. In addition to insurance, fire extinguishers, fire detectors, first aid kits, and so on. Hopefully you will never need your emergency supply, fire extinguisher, fire detector, first aid kit, or disability insurance. But just in case you're ever in a situation when you may need to turn to these things, then you'll consider yourself lucky to have them.